Participate in monthly sales challenge in Google Pay for Business and stand a chance to earn amazing rewards. Open your Google Pay for Business app at the start of the month. Find the challenge backsplash and tap on Play Now. Choose the target amount you can receive via your Google Pay for Business QR that month. The higher your target, the more tickets you can get, and hence, more chances to win the final reward. It's time to start playing. As you get more transactions on your GPay QR, you will get closer to your target. You also need to receive from at least 10 different customers before the deadline. Once you hit the target, you will win the tickets. You can open them on the challenge completion date indicated. Come to the app on the date and see if you won. Visit your rewards page to scratch your tickets. If you won, congratulations! If you didn't, don't be discouraged. Check every month if we have any exciting offers going on and keep using Google Pay for Business and join the many other winners in the future. Ask your customers to pay with GPay and grow your business by choosing Google Pay for Business.